In this video, I'll show you how to set up your own virtual machine of Windows 7 or any other operating system inside of another operating system. So as you can see, this is my Windows 10 and this is a Windows 7 virtual machine. So firstly, you want to download VMware Workstation Player. So it'll be the first option, vmware.com, download VMware Workstation Player. Accordingly, Windows or Linux, download whichever one you have. So I have Windows, I'll download this. You want to save it in a folder named VMware. If you make a new folder and save it in here. The next thing you'd want to download is the operating system you'd want to load onto the VMware. VMware won't download Windows automatically, so you'd want to download it separately. So to download it, you would want to search Windows 7 ISO download. So the first one from Microsoft requires a key, so we can skip this. This one, software.net, it's safe. I've used it before. So you'd want to click on this and accordingly, whatever system type you have. So this is a 64-bit and 36-bit. A quick way to check it is open your file manager, right click on this PC, properties. So it will show you right here, 64-bit operating system, x64. So accordingly, you'd want to download this x64-bit and save it in the same folder. After both of these are finished downloading, unpause the video. So after both of these are finished downloading, you'd want to open run Vmware Player.exe. Next, I accept the terms. You can change this. I'm changing it to the folder I've made, VMware. Next, you can uncheck these. Next, and install. So after this completes, finish it and launch it. Continue, finish. So you get this screen. So you want to create a new virtual machine. The ISO which you downloaded, you want to browse VMware, this ISO. Next, change the name. You can leave this blank. Next, yes. You can change the location of this. Like to keep it in the same folder. Inside this VMware. Next. So this you must give any size greater than 11 GB because the ISO takes 11 GB. If you enter anything below that, it will crash. So I'm entering 20, so and this doesn't matter. Minimum 11 GB. And press finish. And as you can see now, you have your very own Windows 7 virtual machine. There you go.